A new product recently came out on Tesla's website. I thought I'd share some of the details with all of you. This is the Model Y on-the-road chair. It has telescoping legs. This seems to be made out of pretty nice materials. It's awfully compact. I'm going to unbox this and go through the setup and show you the process from start to finish. Let's get started. Now, I've tested this out a couple of times and I've learned from my mistakes so that you don't have to do the same. Let's open up the box and you're going to see straight away there is a QR code for a tutorial on the steps to assemble the chair. Now, it's not rocket science, but there are a couple things that you will need to do that are very important. You're going to see it comes in a very nice bag with a nice zipper and a handle that you can use to carry it with. It doesn't weigh very much. The specifications don't mention the weight limit, but you do have to make sure that the telescoping segments to expand the seat portion are firmly locked in order to ensure safety. Let's open up the bag. And what you're going to notice is that the chair comes straight out, but it's attached to the bag. And it's actually stitched on here, so you can't remove the bag. That's kind of nice so that you never lose it. And I'll show you at the end how you can fold this up and kind of hide it once the chair is fully assembled. So first things first, you have the feet of the chair. We're going to, before we extend those, we're going to extend the chair portion itself by expanding these 4 different segments. They will all open up just like this. And now you can invert them, essentially bringing them up all the way, just like that. And now you can extend the legs out. Now that is the easy part. The next step here is to focus on what you're going to see underneath the chair. It's tough to see with the camera, but you're going to see some letters here. There's L and S. So L stands for the back of the chair. A little bit confusing, but we're going to start with the back of the chair and expand these telescoping portions first. So it recommends in the manual, and I agree with this, to expand the lower segment first. So we'll pull it up like this. You're going to wait to hear a snap. There it was. And you're also going to get a visual indicator, and you can push down to make sure it's secure. Again, it's very important that this locks itself. We're going to go ahead and do the second. There we go. It's locked in place. And now for the front. Now this is where I ran into some challenges. This first one opens up just fine. You'll hear the snap sound. There we go. But this second one, I struggled with quite a bit. And this may be just this chair alone. You will have to confirm in your situation if yours has this issue. But when I pull it all the way up, this time it worked. Sometimes it does not snap out and it doesn't lock itself. And if you have that happen, what I recommend is flexing the tube portions, move them kind of around a little bit, kind of torque them, and that will basically allow that little notch to come out all the way. So that was the best way to get it to come out. Let me try it again to see if I can get the same scenario. Okay, there it's coming out automatically again. Just make sure if you press like this and push as hard as you can, that it is fully locked, because I ran into a situation where this did not come out all the way. And then I sat in the chair and it appeared, by the way, that it was fully extended and this knob was locked, but it actually wasn't. So make sure that you confirm that 100%, because the last thing you want to do is sit in the chair and have this segment collapse and now you fall on the concrete or wherever you're sitting. That would be the worst situation. So once you have the first segment extended for all of these sections here, we can go back to the back portion and now extend these areas here. So we'll do the first one. This is a little bit harder. You might need to stand up to get a little bit more of a position to grab it. So now this one is extended And then we can come over to this one here. And there it's locked as well. Now everything is all set, so we can extend all the legs out and place it on the ground, just like this. So now we are ready to sit in the chair. The nice thing is you get a pocket here. You can put a phone in here. You can put your AirPods in here. You can put headphones. You know, it's a small pocket, but it's nice and convenient. And you'll find that this chair swivels. So when you sit in the chair, it's very nice. But take a look at the back. That bag is just hanging there. So let's talk about how we can get this to hide itself more or less. What you're going to notice is that there is a little hook here, and this is going to slide into the upper portion here like this. I'm just demonstrating to you to start so that you understand how this works. It's going to slide in there like that and then lock itself. So let's take it out. Now, the best part is that this whole thing rolls up. So you're going to turn it like this, and you take the bag, kind of wrap it like this, to kind of fold itself back on itself. Then you take the bottom of the bag and you just roll it. You make a compact shape and you roll it all the way up like this. Once you get it all the way up, you find the back of the strap. It's right, in my case, it's actually hidden in here. I'm going to pull it out. Now that you pull that out, you have this hook that can come around, and it's, in this case, it's on the other side now, and I can slide it in, and there now it's kind of tucked away at the top of the chair. So it can hang there, and it doesn't look as bad, I should say, for anybody that's behind you. And now that your chair is fully assembled, you can sit down and relax. The nice part is that the backrest goes kind of far back, so it's kind of leaning so that you can rest. And I mean, I guess you could kind of put your feet up. If you had maybe a ottoman, you could put your legs up, and it swivels. It's really nice and relaxing and great for flat surfaces, I would say. And you can take this anywhere you want. You know, you can take it to the beach. I probably wouldn't recommend putting it in the sand, but if you're watching fireworks on July 4th, for example, or you're going camping, there's so many places you can use this chair. Now that we've expanded the chair, let's go ahead and put it away. We'll remove the hook, take the bag back out. We will press these knobs, retract these telescoping arms. It's really very self-explanatory, very simple. There is one key step at the very end that I found was maybe not intuitive. Once everything is compressed back again there, what you're going to do here is compress all the legs of the chair, and then you're going to offset these arms here. So they're going to basically go in the middle of the legs. So I mean, it's common sense after you play with it, but it's not intuitive, I would say, and it's certainly not mentioned in the instructions. So these all come together, and then I kind of wrap these kind of going clockwise around just to kind of fold the chair in place. And then this has the strap. It's only one way that you can put it back in the bag. The legs you're going to find are going to go toward the strap that holds the bag in place. Just like that. And then you will use the zipper and zip it back up. And there you go. That's your Tesla chair. Thank you so much for watching. For more product reviews and accessory videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel and check out the playlist up above. Have a great day.